Transform your Shopify store into a payment powerhouse by seamlessly integrating Stripe, the world's leading payment processor, in just a few simple steps. First, let's get Stripe connected to your Shopify store. Navigate to your Shopify admin panel. Click on Settings in the bottom left corner, and then select Payments. On the Payments page, you'll see a section for payment providers. Click the Add Payment Provider button. From the list of available providers, locate and select Stripe. If you're not already using Shopify Payments, you might see an option to activate it, which often bundles Stripe for you. If Stripe is a standalone option, simply choose it. Now, it's time to activate your Stripe account. Click the Activate Stripe button. This will guide you through the process. You'll be prompted to enter your business details, including your business name, address, and what you sell. You'll also need to provide bank account information where Stripe will deposit your earnings. To ensure your account is fully verified, Stripe may require some documentation. This often includes proof of identity and business registration. Follow the on-screen prompts to upload these documents securely. Once your Stripe account is verified, Shopify will confirm the setup. You'll see Stripe listed as an active payment provider directly within your Shopify Payments settings. And just like that, your Shopify store is now equipped to accept all major credit card transactions through Stripe, offering a smooth and secure checkout experience for your customers, boosting conversions and driving sales. With Stripe integrated, your customers can confidently complete their purchases, ensuring a seamless and secure checkout process for every transaction on your store.